Digital forms of money are a previously unheard of innovation that can possibly reform the world economy. While some digital forms of money, like Bitcoin, have become notable and profoundly esteemed, others continue to remain in the shadows. Aave, for instance, is a digital money with the possibility to turn into a central part on the lookout. In this blog entry, we will investigate what assists Aave with standing apart among other cryptographic forms of money and why it could worth put resources into. We will likewise investigate the Aave value expectation and what variables could affect its future cost. Thus, moving along, we should get directly into it. What is Aave? The Aave stage is a decentralized loaning convention based on the Ethereum blockchain. It permits clients to acquire interest on their saved crypto resources and to get against them. The loan costs are set by the market, and the Aave convention guarantees that borrowers generally pay more than they get. This framework is intended to be trustless and straightforward, with all exchanges being recorded on the blockchain. Aave was established in 2017 in Switzerland, up until the rebranding in September 2018. Aave was known as ETH Lend. Not at all like conventional loaning stages, Aave doesn't need a credit check or other monetary information. The stage doesn't actually require standard insurance. All things considered, borrowers can utilize their crypto resources as security. This makes it workable for anybody with crypto assets to get to loaning administration. Likewise, Aave utilizes a one-of-a-kind convention called streak credits. Streak advances are transient credits that can be taken out and reimbursed in a solitary exchange. This makes them ideal for merchants who need to make the most of market-valuable open doors rapidly. In conclusion, the stage has an implicit marking system that empowers Aave clients to procure interest on their crypto possessions. This boosts clients to hold their resources on the stage and guarantees that the Aave environment stays solid and powerful. Together, these elements make Aave an exceptional and strong loaning stage with massive development potential. Based on the Ethereum blockchain and consistent with the ERC20 symbolic norm, Aave is a local badge of the Aave organization. Stage clients benefit from holding Aave tokens. For example, they pay diminished stage expenses. Aave is an administration token that enables clients to decide on choices that might impact the stage's development. Aave is one of the main conventions in the DeFi space, and its local token, Aave, is one of the most famous tokens on Ethereum. Aave has been functional since January 2017 and has seen huge progression lately. The convention is as of now utilized by north of 100,000 clients, with more than $5 billion worth of resources secured in its agreements. Aave value analyses, as indicated by the most recent information accumulated. The ongoing cost of Aave is $87.82, and Aave is as of now positioned No. 44 in the whole crypto biological system. The dissemination supply of Aave is 14,093,193 Aave, with a market cap of $1,237,668,529.60. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto has expanded by $5.38 in its ongoing worth. Throughout the previous 7 days, Aave has been in a decent vertical pattern, subsequently expanding by 11.63%. Aave has shown areas of strength for exceptionally of late, and this could be a decent chance to dive right in and contribute. During the last month, the cost of Aave has expanded by 14.54%, adding a huge typical measure of $12.77 to its ongoing worth. This unexpected development implies that the coin can turn into a strong resource now, assuming that it keeps on developing. Aave Value Expectation 2022. As per the specialized examination of Aave costs expected in 2022, the base expense of Aave will be $84.14. The most extreme level that the Aave cost can reach is $93.92. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $88.14. Aave value gauge for October 2022. In view of the value vacillations of Aave toward the start of 2022, crypto specialists expect the typical Aave pace of $83.89 in October 2022. Its base and greatest costs can be anticipated at $76.70 and at $86.29. Separately, November 2022, Aave value conjecture. Digital money specialists are prepared to report their conjecture for the Aave cost in November 2022. The base exchanging cost may be $81.57, while the greatest could reach $89.64 during this month. By and large, it is normal that the worth of Aave may be around $85.57. Aave value figure for December 2022. Crypto experts have actually taken a look at the value variances of Aave in 2022 and in earlier years, so the normal Aave rate they foresee may be around $88.14 in December 2022. It can drop to $84.14 as a base. The most extreme worth may be $93.92. Aave Value Expectation 2023. After the examination of the costs of Aave in earlier years, it is accepted that in 2023, the base cost of Aave will be around $123.66. The most extreme expected Aave cost might be around $147.45. By and large, the exchanging cost may be $128.07 in 2023. Aave Value Expectation 2024. In light of the specialized examination by cryptographic money specialists in regards to the costs of Aave, in 2024, Aave is supposed to have the accompanying least and greatest costs, about $182.78 and $216.20. Separately, the typical expected exchanging cost is $187.91. Aave Value Forecast 2025. The specialists in the field of digital currency have examined the costs of Aave and their changes during the earlier years. It is expected that in 2025, the base Aave cost could drop to $260.27, while its greatest can reach $313.22. By and large, the exchanging cost will be around $267.78. Aave Value Forecast 2026. In view of the examination of the expenses of Aave by crypto specialists, the accompanying greatest and least Aave costs are normal in 2026, $462.13 and $409.78. All things considered, it will be exchanged at $420.49. Aave Value Forecast 2027. Crypto specialists are continually examining the changes of Aave. In view of their expectations, the assessed typical Aave cost will be around $610.93. It could drop to at least $589.90. Yet it actually could reach $712.97 all through 2027. Aave Value Expectation 2028. Consistently, digital currency specialists get ready conjectures at the cost of Aave. It is assessed that Aave will be exchanged somewhere in the range of $863.26 and $1,036.34 in 2028. Its typical expense is normal at around $887.70 during the year. Aave Value Expectation 2029. Digital money investigators are prepared to report their assessments of the Aave's cost. The year 2029 not set in stone by the most extreme Aave cost of $1,497.91. In any case, its rate could drop to around $1,229.67. In this way, the normal typical exchanging cost is $1,265.17. Aave Value Expectation 2030. Following quite a while of examination of the Aave cost, crypto specialists are prepared to give their Aave cost assessment to 2030. It will be exchanged for no less than $1,752.04, with the conceivable most extreme tops at $2,082.06. By and large, you can anticipate that the Aave cost should be around $1,802.65 in 2030.